Alright, so this is a follow-up to the post that I put up earlier. I believe we found the issue. As you can see, put the old alternator back in. I took the previous suggestion and removed the belts to see what could be causing it. I just removed the lower belt, and on the air conditioning compressor, if you listen real closely, you can see that that's a little loose. So it's probably what was causing the issue. I still have the upper belt on, so alternator, water pump, all that are still functioning. Yeah, it's starting to get a little chilly, so don't think I'll be needing the air conditioning anytime soon. And we'll start her up real quick. Alright, and everything seems good. You hear there was a little bit of a timing chain noise, but that's always been there, and I've just kind of learned to deal with it. I just want to thank everybody for their posts. It was definitely a huge help in helping me get this solved.